Okay, so here's my week 15 summary. This week was pretty short. We only had class on Tuesday. But Monday we were supposed to go and do the interview at Palo Verde, and our contact Chuck ended up having to do jury duty. So he was able to email me later on that night, um, and I just asked him if he would be willing to do some questions for us, and he agreed to that. So I sent him a list of questions out, and then he answered those for us. So I asked him to have them done Tuesday by 7. And at first he was like, "Oh, I don't know if I can have them done because I got to get the information, yada, yada, yada." Then on Tuesday at like 5 o'clock, he sent me the questions and the answers like, "Oh, I completed your questions and answers and everything, and here you go. And if you need anything else," I mean, that was pretty much it. So Tuesday, I'm rushing, trying to get ready because now we have everything, and now we're going to finish doing our last bit of filming. So we were able to get that completed on Tuesday in class, and also we were able to kind of go over our questions, our assessment, and objective. So we asked David a lot of questions, and he was able to, give us some more information and ask and show us how to better kind of lay out our questions for the quiz we gotta have for our video. So we worked on that, um, got the questions and the objectives done. We think we got these pretty much down to how he wants them to be addressed to the class. So we were able to get that finished. And also, like I said, we got our last bit of recording done. And I also had to work on my final draft for the controversial debate. I'm just glad I read it because else I would have just submitted 2 copies, and it specifically asked to have it all put into one. So I got that done, and you guys will get to read that and comment on that. And it's all about, vaccines and the pros and cons of getting vaccines. So I was able to get that done. And so we got a lot done for our class. We found a few more things that we need to fit into our video. So we went to these 2 sites just to kind of get some more information that's kind of pertinent to what we're talking about to be added in. So we were able to find that, and that was thanks to David and his suggestions. So we got that done. So basically, what we're going to do is Monday we're going to get together, and then we're just going to finalize everything. We're going to get together Monday, kind of go over our questions we have and see what we have to put into our video based on the questions we have and anything we kind of need to go over and fine tune. So my group is going to meet on Monday and get everything finalized, and hopefully you guys will have a great video to watch on Thursday in class. So that's the week 15 summary. I mean, basically had to be really patient with this. We thought this would be like the easiest one because it's something that we kind of wanted to work on, and it's ended up being the hardest project. But just because the uncertainty of our interviewer, and then it kind of falling through at the last minute, but we were able to work that out. So that's my week 15 summary. Um, this week in physics, I don't know, probably about 5 to 6 hours. Getting all the Thursday was Thanksgiving, so just getting all the holiday stuff together, and just not as much time since we have most of it done. And then Monday we're gonna tackle it and finish it up. So that's my week 15 summary.